Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, yes, today we are gonna make a video that in the previous video I talk about you are become munafik in Jahanam, and everybody who believe that I am practicing some black magic right now are you are munafikin. But right now I just wanna make a video about me as a China spy. Really, seriously? Okay. Um, from starting, I'm start from how can BU said to the whole community of Indonesia Intelligence Agency, which is from police, strategic military, and all military agency from the other branch, and the national agency that I am is a spy from China, a spy from China government. How can you say to all these people and everybody believe it without questioning more, without denying, and everybody just believe it wrongly? Why? Why accuse? Why accuse? Why you invited all this to become a munafikin? I mean, suddenly everybody just accuse me. Suddenly just everybody believing in gossiping about me. Suddenly everybody just um, without questioning to me directly, they believe what you said. I think before all of this, is that even possible? You you are even inviting all Indonesian intelligence community to all time high imagination. Not just a civil people, not just a cult leader, not just a religious people, not just their religious leader. Is it from church or is it from mosque? Not just them, but you are also invite to the police, invite to the military, invite to the national agency. You are invited them. You are succeed to invite them to believe what you said. How how even that is possible? Listen here. Just because I'm using this kung fu uniform, just because I'm using this wushu, Wing Chun, just because I'm practicing some Tai Chi. Uh, yes, and it is from China. That doesn't mean that I am a China spy. And yes, I love to learn some foreign English too, like konnichiwa, ni hao, ni man hao ma, wo chao herdi, ahlan wa sahlan, ahlan wa bik, hola, and yes, I maybe 2 or 3 years later I will start to learn about Russian and Indian, yes, Bollywood, from Bollywood. But right now, just because I can, just because I can learn some language, just because uh, I'm using VPN, I'm using gateway, internet gateway, I'm using DNS, I'm using private network, I'm using all this gateway proxy and other thing from China or from Middle East. That doesn't mean that I am a China spy. The reason I make this video is why everybody, even my father, even my mother, just believe it into you wrongly, just like you are convinced them, with of some magic, with some you know just like that. You are make them agree with you with some hypnosis. That if you use it in capitalism, if you use it in to make money, to print some asset, I think you are gonna make $1 million in US dollar. Okay, okay, just listen. Because of you make it like that, that's mean you make China is your enemy of your political party and social organization. Of course, you know my name Herdy, but you accuse me I'm from China. Herdy, Haredi. You don't get it? Okay, you accuse me that I am spy from China. That means the East. You accuse me Haredi. That means West. You accuse me that what I'm doing about the Al-Quran is wrong. That means the middle. Okay, right now, just for your information, you are still blame me for what happened in 2019. You are still trying to accuse me with whatever it comes to your mind. Okay, East, West, middle. You cannot use these three issues and make every block in this world to become your enemy, but still blaming me in 2019. But you are still blaming me in presidential election in 2019. How can that even possible? You make every block to become your enemy of social organization and political party, but you are blaming me for what you did. Man, even because of my father believe in you, nearly he's almost killed me, because he believes in you that I am practicing some black magic, or I am communist. Wait, how can be this is black magic and this is communist atheist, and you mix it like boom. You can make right now, just I want to say right now, because of you make the issues about me, Haredi. I know you count on West. I know you rely on West, But because of you make me to become your issues, you are spreading the gossip, so you are spreading the rumor, you are spreading the fitnah to all of this. Right now the West has 3 face to you and all of your people. I mean your member of your organization. You cannot make all this. You cannot make all this block all around the world to become your enemy because you make issues, you make rumor about what they done, but still blaming me for I never do nothing. I really never do nothing, and I proved that from 2014 until 2019 I really do nothing. What I do? Seriously, what I do? Some Kung Fu? Some Tai Chi? Thank you for the National Agency of Royal Saudi. Maybe you are the last who tell me what's wrong, because you are realize that something wrong with the mosque, but you are the late one. The first one is from the east and the second is from the west, from all people who know who are me, who am I. Thank you for you are concerned, and thank you for doing what I want to do nothing. Yes, for this past 6 years I just do nothing. What I do? I just laying around my bed doing some work with my computer. But you are just not spying on me. You are spreading the rumor, you are spreading the gossip, you are spreading the fitnah, and make everybody, once again, everybody that believe me, that believe that I am some sort of foreign spy, some a man who practicing a black magic, a man who half demon, half demon, yes, half demon. They all are now are munafikin Jahannam. It's written in the Quran. Read it, find it, read it in the Arabic, not in the Bahasa. Don't translate it, read it in Arabic, okay? And until now, it's true that I'm still in one piece. In one piece, live with my family and farming luck with all of you, then throw the bala to you all, cause I know you are trying to kill me. You are trying to kill me to cover your mistake in 2014 and 2019 presidential election of Indonesia. See you next week. No, not see you next week. Maybe 2 or 3 days from now I will make this next episode. Maybe I will make 100 or 200 episode. Thank you. Wassalam.